Okay, today we will be replacing a bathroom faucet. So here's a faucet we will be replacing. It was leaking internally down inside the cabinet. So here's a new faucet. I bought this on walmart.com. There's a part number. Open it up and take a look. Always want to inspect your product, make sure it's not broken or missing any parts. Comes with the instruction manual. Your two mounting nuts here. This is a chrome plated faucet. Now this one was right around $20 and it's all plastic construction, so it's chrome plated. If you want one that's chrome plated metal, they're going to be a little bit more expensive. I'm removing that little plug to make room for the pop-up linkage to slide through that hole, because that's how you open and close the drain on the sink. But you can see they're pretty darn close to being the same size and shape and style. So I'll go ahead and move that rod over now. And again, this is a 4-inch center set chrome bathroom faucet we're replacing today. First step is to turn the hot and cold water supply valves off. I'm then going to disconnect the pop-up drain assembly linkage from the faucet. I'm going to use this rigid tool right around 20 bucks. It's a plumbing wrench. It's a multi-tool. Bought this at Home Depot. This is not a paid promotion for Home Depot or this rigid product. It's just what I use. You can see it makes quick, easy work of unscrewing the supply lines. Next, we're going to unscrew the two mounting nuts, like so. Then remove the faucet from the sink. So the reason they call this a 4-inch center set faucet is if you measure across, it's 4 inches from the center line to center line. You see that? And what I like to do is run a thin bead of silicone sealant around the perimeter before I install the new faucet. That way, if any water gets under there, it's not going to leak down inside the cabinet. And I'll just gently place the new faucet in place. And take care to make sure it's lined up. You don't want a crooked faucet. Then from underneath the sink, we'll go ahead and install those two mounting nuts, those plastic nuts. Be careful not to cross thread them. And it should just be hand tight, should be tight enough. However, I can use that multi-tool to just snug them up slightly, especially if you have a hard time reaching up in there, or you have arthritis, or you don't have as much working space. That wrench works well. But again, they're plastic. You don't want to tighten them too tight because they will break. Now, if this faucet is in a high-use area, like say a commercial office building, I'd recommend buying a faucet that is metal instead of plastic. But for low-use application like this, it's fine. So again, this tool is great because you can gently snug up on those mounting nuts if you need to, like so. Next, we'll reattach the pop-up drain assembly linkage. Yours may look different. So I'm going to slide this on. Nice thing about this is it's adjustable. And tighten that bolt with a 7/16 wrench. Got it about where I want it. And then I'll use that little spring clip to attach this plate to the connecting rod here. Pretty easy. There There we go. Yep, works good. Check it from above. Yep. Next, we're going to reattach our water supply lines. These are still in good condition, but it's a good best practice to replace the water supply lines if you're replacing the faucet, especially if the supply lines are old. Again, just take your time, don't cross thread them. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And again, they're plastic threads, so don't tighten them too tight. Again, I'm going to use this plumber's wrench and just gently snug up on them. That's good. Do the other side. Remember, hot water on the left, cold water on the right. And we'll slowly turn the water back on. Check for leaks everywhere. Everything looks dry. Purge the air out of the faucet. We're good to go. I hope this helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.